Let's study the topic equation of motion under gravity. Okay, under gravity, at first we will consider what is the value of acceleration. Okay, for writing the for writing the equation of motion, one important thing is what is acceleration. Okay, acceleration is g. Okay, value of acceleration is g, and g is what? G is a constant, 9.8 meter per second square. This is a constant value. What does it mean? It means the equations will be applied like uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, this suggests that this constant value of acceleration suggests that the equations will be applied of constant acceleration. Okay, that is uniform acceleration equations will be applied. Uniform acceleration equations will be applied. Okay, because the acceleration is constant, and constant acceleration means uniform acceleration equations will be applied. And what are the uniform accelerations? Equations where we remember v equals to u plus at and s equals to ut plus half at square and v square equals to u square plus 2as. Okay. Now here there is one more thing. Here the value of g can be positive, can be negative. Okay. It is positive. Suppose that this is the ground. Okay, this is ground. Going up the ground, going up from the ground, the value of g will be what? Positive. Is it positive? No. Going down it is positive. Okay, positive value of g, and going up it is negative. Okay, why? Because going down means gravity is attracting. Gravity has the power of attraction. Gravity means attraction. Okay, gravity is attracting, and the body is coming downwards. It means it is favoring the gravity. Okay, so it is positive value of g is used here, and going upward means against the gravity. It means it is minus value of g. Okay, so we can write here upward g is negative. Okay, downward g is positive. Okay, downward g means g in the favor of gravity. Okay, that is positive. So now the equations will be v means what? Final velocity equals to u plus or minus both. Okay, before a plus or minus both, and a is g here, u plus minus g t. Okay, this is the first equation. This is first equation of motion under gravity. Second equation is what? S means, we can also say h. H means height. S or h, the same thing. Equals to ut plus or minus half gt square. Okay. Before g, it will be plus minus sign used. Okay. This is second equation. And the third equation is v square equals to u square plus or minus 2gh. This is the third equation. Okay. So these are the equations of motion under gravity. Okay. How it is calculated? It is derived from these equations, and in these equations value of acceleration is put as g. Okay, is put as g, and for direction upward it is negative, for downward it is positive. Okay, because it is favoring gravity, it is against gravity. Okay, and why only these equations are applied? It is because these equations are of uniform acceleration equations, and uniform acceleration equations need constant acceleration. Okay, and here the value of g is constant, so these equations are applied here. Okay, some more equations we have already studied. Some more equations are a equals to dv by dt, v equals to ds by dt. These are not applied here. Okay, these are not applied here because these are applied when acceleration is not constant. These differential equations are applied when acceleration is not constant, but here acceleration is constant, so these equations will be applied and we got the result. Okay.